If your living room feels off or somehow cheaper than you expected, it's probably not the furniture price or the brand. It's these small design mistakes that quietly ruin the space, mistakes most homeowners don't even notice. From ceiling decisions to furniture proportions, these errors shrink your room visually. So today, we're breaking down 9 mistakes your living room looks cheap and exactly how to fix each one. Stay until the end because the last mistake is the one almost everyone gets wrong. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Mistake number 1. Wrong ceiling design for the height. This is what happens when a low living room ceiling is treated like a high one. In a space with a 2.4 to 2.6 meter ceiling, adding tray ceilings with thick drops may look decorative at first, but it actually makes the room feel heavier and visually lower. This is the key rule to remember. If your ceiling height is below 2.7 meters, the design should stay minimal. A flat, simple ceiling works far better in low spaces because it avoids unnecessary visual breaks. When the ceiling is clean and uninterrupted, nothing competes for attention above, so the original height is visually preserved and the room instantly feels lighter. Mistake number 2. Ceiling meets wall too sharply. When the ceiling meets the wall at a hard 90-degree angle, like this, it may look clean at first, but it creates a sharp stopping point that visually boxes the room in. That hard edge tells your eyes exactly where the space ends, so the ceiling instantly feels lower and less refined. The fix is adding a 10 to 20 millimeter shadow gap or a slim ceiling molding, so the transition between your wall and ceiling feels softer and more intentional. This detail doesn't require expensive materials, but it dramatically improves proportions and gives the living room a more finished high-end look. Mistake number 3. Bulky chandelier in a low room. Even an expensive chandelier can still make your living room look cheaper when it's out of scale. A large, candle-style chandelier hangs in a 2.4 to 2.6 meter ceiling, but instead of feeling elegant, it overwhelms the space. When you replace it with a low-profile modern LED pendant, your ceiling line stays clean and uninterrupted. With less visual weight above you, your ceiling feels higher and your living room instantly looks more modern and intentional. Mistake number 4. Ceiling feels low because walls stop short. If your living room feels shorter than it should, but your ceiling height is actually normal, the problem is usually your walls. When your curtain rod is mounted just above the window and your curtains stop short, your eyes read that as the true height of the room. But most people never realize their curtains are the reason their living room feels cheap. The fix is simple. Mount your curtain rod as close to the ceiling as possible and let your curtains fall all the way to the floor so your walls feel taller and your living room looks more expensive without changing anything else. You visually added height to your entire space, and that's a designer trick most people miss, so they ends up making the living room cheaper. Mistake number 5. Too many horizontal lines. This is one of the mistakes that makes your living room feel wider, but noticeably shorter. Your TV console and floating shelves all run horizontally, so your eyes move side to side instead of upward. One simple change fixes the problem. You can add a tall vertical cabinet beside your TV wall so your eye naturally travels upward. Because your wall has both vertical and horizontal lines, your living room instantly feels taller, more structured, and more expensive. Mistake number 6. Wrong furniture height. If your living room feels heavy or crowded, the first thing you should check is your furniture height. When all your cabinets go full height, but almost every piece pushes up toward the ceiling, your space feels crushed, top-heavy, and visually tense. Tall storage isn't the enemy, it's repetition. Keep only one tall vertical shelf near your TV wall for balance. Replace it with a low side cabinet, so your eye has breathing space and your ceiling instantly feels higher. Let most of your furniture stay low, so your room feels balanced, intentional, and expensive. Mistake number 7. TV wall too wide and too low. This happens when your TV wall stretches too wide across your living room but stays low and flat, so your eyes move sideways instead of upward. When your TV console runs long from end to end, it visually drags the wall down, even with vertical elements trying to balance it. This isn't about changing your TV, it's about fixing your proportions. By choosing a medium-sized floating console, it doesn't compete with your ceiling, but allows the vertical wall panels to take visual priority. This creates a clear balance. Your storage stays functional, but your eye is guided upward toward the TV wall feature, so the room reads taller and more intentional. Mistake number 8. Wall art hung too low. Most living rooms hang wall art just a little above the sofa. But when your artwork sits too low, your living room immediately looks cheaper. Your eyes get stuck in the middle of the wall, so your ceiling feels lower and the space looks unfinished, even if your furniture is already nice. When you raise your artwork higher or stack frames vertically, you stretch the wall visually, so your living room instantly looks taller, more balanced, and more expensive. By letting your artwork occupy more of the wall height, you create a clear vertical flow, so your space feels designed on purpose instead of decorated last minute. Mistake number 9. Mixed wood tones with no control. If your living room uses multiple wood tones, the design won't feel cohesive. The coffee table uses a lighter wood while your TV console leans darker, but they don't relate, so the space lacks harmony. Your eye keeps jumping from one finish to another, so the room feels cheaper than it should. Limit your palette to one main wood tone with one supporting tone. Using a warm medium oak tone as your main wood color, and by pairing that oak with one soft neutral tone, creates balance. So your living room read as one cohesive set instead of separate pieces. This simple control instantly makes your space look more expensive, without replacing all your furniture. A living room doesn't look expensive because everything costs more, but because every element is placed with purpose. If your living room feels cramped, flat, or unfinished, chances are you saw at least one of these 9 mistakes in your own home. And now, fixing them doesn't require luxury furniture. It requires better design decisions. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.